going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving a review of the new iPhones. So I don't have the new iPhone in hand since the pre-order is on Friday. However, I will be doing an unboxing when I receive the phone. I will be pre-ordering the iPhone 15s. I was just watching the live event and I wrote some notes down on what to expect. I did want to make a video on what to expect before the Apple Live. However, I don't want to be misleading information that I'm not sure of. However, I know exactly what to wait for, and let's get on with this video. So I wrote everything that I saw on the live for the iPhone 14, the 14 Plus, the 14 Pro. So I wrote everything about the 15, the 15 Plus, the 15 Pro, and the 15 Pro Max on two different books. First off, let's start with the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 comes in pink, blue, green, yellow, as well as black. It finally has the dynamic island. Last year, the 14s did not, however, the 14 Pros did. It uses Super Retina XDR display using OLED technology. It goes up to 2000 nits, and it also has a contoured edge. The iPhone 15 has a 6.1 inch display, and the iPhone 15 Plus has a 6.7 inch display. And I don't think this is anything new from last year. The color is built on the outline of the camera, so the color of the phone also outlines the cameras. The texture is a matte finish. It is made with a ceramic shield that is dust proof. It also uses 75% recycled aluminum as well as 100% recycled copper. The main camera is 48 megapixels this year, which maximizes the resolution. So this also balances the light and the detail. It has a 12 megapixel 2x telephoto camera, as well as the 2x zoom is also on the portrait mode. In the live, they mentioned how it is a next generation portrait. And this is mainly because when you take a picture and it's not in portrait mode, later you can go in and edit it and make it into a portrait mode, which you cannot do now. The night mode also captures much more detail. The HDR captures more colors now, and it uses an A16 Bionic chip. And just like most of the other iPhones, it has a all-day battery life. The best part of it all is the connectivity. Find My has direct directions, so if you do lose one of your friends, one of your family members, and you want to find them, you can go ahead, find direct directions to them, and it gives you a GPS. It also has a voice isolation. So if you're in a busy crowd and you're trying to talk to someone and that someone cannot hear you because of how noisy the crowd is, it isolates the background noise so whoever you're talking to can only hear you and not the background as much. For the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, they had the satellite contact. So it had the emergency SOS via satellite. However, it didn't have the roadside via satellite. So now with the iPhone 15, you can go ahead and have emergency SOS via satellite to update your location, as well as you can contact roadside. So if you have no internet, you can get roadside to you with only the satellite. It has MagSafe, it is 5G, and now we don't have a lightning cable. Instead, it is a USB-C cable. So this USB-C can connect to your MacBook, your iPad, your AirPods if you have the right AirPods that use the USB-C. And yeah, so now you can transfer much faster, much easier, and you'll have the cable right with it. The price for the iPhone 15 starts from $799 USD, as well as the iPhone 15 Plus starts from $899 USD. The iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max have the titanium design now, and the titanium design creates a lighter iPhone, so it is going to be less heavier than all the iPhones created. It uses the toughest glass, as well as it has the dynamic island just like the iPhone 14 Pro and the Pro Max. The quality of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is going to be extremely durable as it uses a grade 5 titanium, and on the inside it uses aluminum. The Pro and the Pro Max come in 4 different colors. They come in a black titanium, a white titanium, a gray titanium, as well as a blue titanium. There is no more silent switch, so that switch that you have to silent, mute, and unmute, that is not going to be there anymore. It is going to be a tap. So you will not have a silent switch unless you make it a silent button. You can customize so that when you touch that button, it can be a recording, it can take you to calendar, basically anything that you would like it to. So there's no more silent switch anymore, and you can customize that button now. The chip is a A17 Bionic chip, and the transfer speed is 20 times faster now. So if you were to plug in your cable to your phone to your computer, it will be 20 times faster to transfer either the video or the photo that you are transferring. There is something new called ray tracing, and this creates better resolution. This also creates the attention to detail as well as the quality, so it gives you a much better quality in your videos as well as your pictures. For the iPhone 14 Pro, the telephoto camera is 3 times, and they also mentioned how there is a 5 times for optical zoom as well as 5 times for telephoto camera. So the 5 times telephoto camera is for the Pro Max, however for the Pro it's the 3 times telephoto, but the optical zoom, I think it's 5 times for both, so Pro and Pro Max. It also uses a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera using macro lens, and it also says that it records in 4K 60 Pro. However, I do still this is what I'm using to record, so I'm putting it on 4K 60, so I don't know, that kind of confused me a little bit. There is also spatial video now. You can relive those moments and it just makes it more realistic. The iPhone 15 Pro starts from $999 American, as well as the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts from $1199 American. So that's USD dollars. So this is all that we got from the event. I will say there's almost literally no change to the design. We've gotten the same thing for the past 3-4 years, I think. Just different numbers, 12, 13, 14, 15. However, I'm excited to get the phones, do an unboxing, and see which one I'll keep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. The unboxings will be down in the description below when I do get the phone and unbox it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!